Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be making a quick tutorial on how to do a wheel pose. The first one is starting from three-legged dog and flipping your dog in wild thing. While you lengthen your hand, you can drop it and come to a wheel position. Once you stay there for like 1 to 5 breaths, you're going to turn around and find your way back to downward facing dog. Once you get back to downward facing dog, you're going to balance it on the other side by taking three-legged dog and then flipping your dog into wild thing and finding your balance, twisting your shoulders, adjusting yourself as needed, and coming back to wheel pose. Now guys, this is the first way to get it. The second way to go about it is to come all the way up to standing. So walk your feet to your arms and come up to standing. You're going to have to balance yourself and just warm up your back a little. So for me, I'm already warmed up. I'll go a little bit deep as if I'm coming into a drop back wheel. And then I'm going to try the same on the other side to go a little bit deeper. Once I'm back, I'm going to stretch side to side before trying another deeper stretch, which is going to be one time. And when I come back, I'm going to go all the way down, dropping both hands, bending my knees and coming into a drop back wheel. So guys, you can also lift up one of your leg in this three-legged wheel pose. Find your balance, adjust yourself as needed and try it on the other side. And that's it. That's how to get your wheel pose. Thanks for watching.